Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So install WordPress from Cpanel, we need to download WordPress file. So open a new tab and type here WordPress download, and you will get this website link wordpress.org. Open this and click on download WordPress, and here we can see the WordPress is downloading now. So here we can see WordPress file has been downloaded. Now let's upload this into our cPanel. So open file manager and now open public HTML. So we need to upload WordPress file inside of this public HTML. So upload, select file, and I'm selecting the WordPress compress file. Open. So it's uploaded. Now click on go back, reload. So here is the WordPress compress file. Now we need to extract this. Select and extract and select the directory. Obviously it will be public_html. Extract files, close, and now select the zip file and delete this from here. And now open WordPress file and select all and click on move, and from here delete this WordPress, move files, back, and select WordPress because of this folder is empty now. And here you can see the WordPress is ready into my cPanel. Now let's create database for this new WordPress website. Go to cPanel and click on MySQL database. So create a new database, give here your database name, create database, and here is the database name. Copy this name from here and open a new tab and database name. Make sure to note these username password. Database name, paste here, go back. So we successfully created our database. Now let's create user. So give your username. I'm giving admin, and give it a password. I'm clicking on password generator. I'm copying this password here and I'm pasting the password here. Now click on I have copied this password in a safe place. Use password, create user, and copy this username. Go back and paste the username here. Okay, so we successfully created a database and a new user. Here you can see, and now we need to add this user to database. So I'm selecting my user here and I'm selecting the database. Now click on add and make sure to select all these and click on make changes. I successfully added the user into the database. Now I'm going to open my website howto1minute.com. I'm selecting language, let's go, and now I'm going to fill up this form. So database name, I'm copying my database name here and pasting it here. Username, here is my username, pasting it here, and the password, here is my password and I'm pasting it here. Now click on submit. Now click on run the installation. So now fill up this form. Site title, I'm giving my site title here, how to 1 minute, and I'm giving username admin and password. I'm giving my password here, and you can enter your email address here. Right now I'm going to skip this one, and you can enable the search engine visibility and click on install WordPress. So you must provide an email address, so you have to enter your email address here. So I'm going to enter my email address here. Okay, install WordPress. Successfully I installed WordPress in my cPanel. Now let's go to login, admin, and I'm giving my password here. And here we can see I installed WordPress in my cPanel. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.